Adventure. So today we're doing a catch, clean, and cook for white bass and catfish. So right now we're catching catfish. Yesterday we caught some white bass, but we're gonna go back out at them tomorrow. I mean today. We're gonna see what we can hook onto. Hopefully we can hook onto a striper, maybe a big old YellowCat. Her and him are the YellowCat kings. She's the queen, he's the king. I've never caught a YellowCat on in my life, and I've been on this lake for 3 years. Right now I have sour meat right here. We throw it out when we're going to do it. Hopefully it gets the catfish coming. It gets their bellies really fat.
Okay, what pole you want me to get? Okay, I'll do it.
And that's how Sawyer lost his job.
Dad doesn't want to smell like sour wheat, so he's gonna do it for us.
That's horrible. Horrible. How many poles do we have?
How much do you put out?
3 scoops.
About 3 scoops.
I already put one. Are you using it?
See if it brings in the catfish.
Should be at the water line.
Mama, can you get me that one? Can you get me
What pole do you want?
that one?
Catfish pole?
Yeah.
Set that up here.
There's 2.
Yep, me.
All right, hand me hooks.
Here, Sawyer. Here, Rich. Here, Dad. There's another one up there.
Get down.
Here. Do you want this one, Dad? Oh.
There's one right there.
Mighty.
Here, Connie needs one.
Right there.
All right. What are you using as bait?
Oh, this is just Catfish Charlie. It's kind of a homemade bait that we do.
Does it smell good?
Yeah, it smells great. Put cattails in it, and it works good.
So, cattails, we let them dry out, and then it thickens that bait if it gets too soupy.
Excuse me.
Hey,
You got a
Jax.
pole?
Yep, I got a pole. Jax fixed me up.
Jax, explain to me how you're rigged up.
Okay, guys. So, this, you start way up here.
Where do you fish at?
Right
On the
here.
side?
This, the bobber goes up, and it stops right there.
It's just like a little knot, right? You can buy them.
So, they're called slit knots.
Okay.
So, you watch this.
So it's just however deep you want to fish, right?
And then, you got this little thing,
A bead.
which, if you don't have the end of this, wait, I don't really know what the bead's for, but
Well, if you only had a cork, it would stop your cork.
Yeah,
But since you have
yeah.
this, you really don't need the bead. But it's okay to have it.
so we have 2 mini beads on here.
It doesn't hurt anything.
Then we got the weight, which
What about the cork? You forgot about the cork.
Walk around.
it's broken.
That's okay. It still works.
So I got the cork here. The cork, I know all of y'all know this, but for those of you that don't know it, the cork is to hold the bobber up, or hold the hook in its place. Like the weight takes the hook down, the bobber holds the hook up.
And if the bobber goes underwater, what does that mean?
You got a fish. Well, at least we hope. At least you don't. Hopefully you don't have a turtle.
So do you need to set the hook on these catfish?
If you don't set the hook, oopsie, I missed one. Oopsie, I missed one.
Okay.
So then we get to the hook.
Let me see the hook.
It has 3 barbs,
What color do we like to use?
red ones.
Red. Treble hook.
Mine's kind of bent
You're seen a few catfish
I want to
before.
throw Connie's out.
because I'm good at catching fish.
All right.
So
Why don't you go get baited up so you can start fishing?
no one's baited me up.
Go
But
bait yourself up, boy. All right, show us how to bait up.
so if you get one of these things,
You stick your treble hook in the stink bait.
so there's, I don't know if you can see one,
You try not to
but
touch
there's
it.
an end on that. You see that end?
Yep.
All right, that goes down the line and it hits the hook. I like to do it on the side. I don't know why I didn't do it. So, like this, you go down, fill your
You're all right.
fill your hook.
Ew, ew. Be sure to wash your hands.
I'll
in the
just
lake.
throw it on my brother's.
No.
So you go down, feel the hook. All right, now I feel it. So
There's a little breeze. That's
here we go. I wrap it around.
Perfect.
Look at that.
Perfect. All right. All right, we see everybody's quirks out in the water. Sawyer's reeling in.
All right, where am I? Get a fish.
Hey, Dad, why do we need a breeze? Bear. Why do we need a
It
breeze?
gets our corks moving down through here.
It's never good fishing when it's flat, right?
Right.
All right.
The waves to be about.
Sawyer latched on. Let's see what he's got. Good job, Sawyer.
It's a good start.
Heck yeah.
Hey, am I too high or too low?
Let's see him, Bear.
Look
Hey.
at his belly.
Ooh, what's it full of?
Wheat.
It's full of that wheat we threw out. Sawyer. Nice job, dude.
Thanks.
Hey, what are you doing?
Swimming.
Are you hot?
Yeah. Papa, are you gonna jump in later?
Is it better than fishing right now?
Okay.
Let go. Does it feel nice?
Yeah, I'm about to float away. We're not sitting on the side of the.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
All right, we got 5 minutes. Normally we'll give it a timer if we've not gotten a bite. Normally within the last 10 seconds somebody will get a bite and it'll start the clock over. So we're gonna go to a different spot now and try something else.
Don't stop moving, right? If you're not catching anything.
Yeah, I'm not real patient when it comes to not catching fish, so these boys are kind of spoiled when it comes to catching fish.
Oh, yeah.
So if nobody's catching fish, we're moving.
Time to move. We got to get this fish in the boat, though.
Put him in the ice chest.
Come on, little fish. Get in. Sawyer, what are you doing?
Catfish bite about over.
Getting the bait off my lure.
All right. We are going to call the catfishing done today. It came out too late.
Really?
Boys are being impatient, so we're going to go after some whites and then probably call it a day. All right, Captain?
What?
Ridge,
Ridge,
are you serious? Oh, not to the tip.
Whoa,
those
that's
are
a
good
great
ones.
one.
We just got here. Ridge had us pull in the water for 2 seconds and he got one.
Mama, do. I got it.
Do you have one too?
That's a good one.
Daddy has one. You can put him in here.
They're in the water,
Put him in here. Whoa, whoa, Sawyer.
That wasn't my fault.
Whoa.
Keep solid ones today. No dingers.
Okay, you're good.
No, we're not gonna have
Here,
it.
Mama.
Uh-oh. All right.
As soon as we get to the bottom.
Good job, boys. All right. So we are
I know when my buttons
Whitebass
stop,
fishing
they're on the
now.
bottom.
Boys were getting bored with catfishing, so we decided to come whitebass fishing. So I don't have a pole, so I'm gonna rig one up right now.
Yeah.
With the lure I'm using is this guy. See if it works. So, all right. What do we have? Yellow? Come on.
I think so.
Is this the one I caught yesterday or had on?
You didn't catch
Or
one.
maybe it's striped.
Oh, he's big.
Striper.
Come on.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, don't fall off like.
Eh. Yeah, don't hit the net. Oh, let him go. Let him take it. You like how I'm giving you tips?
Yeah.
Don't do what I did. Don't get it caught up in that propeller either. Oh, no.
Where is he?
Sitting on bottom. He's on the bottom. That striper?
I don't know, but this son of a gun's
Big.
pull and drag.
He better not be a
That's
Gasper
what he did
goo.
to me yesterday.
It ain't a damn Casper goo, honey.
What if it's a carp?
Jax, do not hit it with that net. Just get the net out of the way.
Jax, get that out of the way.
This is probably Jax's fish. Yeah, I caught a giant yesterday.
You lying little rascal.
It went off.
Well, so you didn't catch
You
it.
didn't catch nothing.
I had a giant on.
You hooked the giant.
Yeah.
Because I was pulling.
What do you think it is,
and
Ridge?
it came off. A catfish. He let it
Catfish.
have his head. No, I didn't.
Where the? Oh, there he is. Oh, he's a good one.
He's a
Yeah. Scoop him.
catfish.
Scoop him.
Get his head first. Also, we having YellowCat.
Go!
He's a good one.
That's what I'm talking about.
Hold on, Reggie.
Every time you I see where Jax hooked him yesterday. Yeah, that's where I did hook him. Sawyer, that's where I hooked him right.
If you let him flop off his boat,
He's not flopping off.
All right, put him in.
All right, fish are flying everywhere. Ridge, where's your fish?
It's in there.
You just put it in there?
Can you open it, Pop?
yes, sir.
Please.
Throw him in there.
Get on there, Bob. That's what they're after.
Put the ice on.
So, what'd you get?
A whiteness.
Measuring him.
He's 12.
12? Hey, how big does he have to be?
He has to be 10.
10, and how many can you catch?
25.
There you go, good job.
Dry. Perfect.
That's for Whitebass.
I think I.
Is that screen showing?
Reggie, are you copying Pop?
I don't know.
Is it working?
Honey, is that screen showing them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Screen is showing them. We're at 53 foot. They're down here at the bottom. Oh, I didn't mean to press that. Yeah,
Okay.
they're down at the bottom.
Reel it up. Reel it up.
Oh, I'm old man. We'll go down the street. Rage is so crippled. Hey guys, watch this one.
Taking a swim now that we're done fishing. We're about to head back, clean the fish, and fry them tonight. All right, day 2, cleaning time. All right, we're gonna get these cleaned up. We'll show you how we cook them tonight. Here, let's look at this guy. Big flathead. What are you cooking over here, Lily?
Fresh salmon patties.
Ooh, they look good.
Yes, they are.
So Lily's gonna cook the salmon patties. I'm over here, got my grease hot. We're gonna cook YellowCat, channelcat, and Whitebass that we all caught today. How we do it, I'll show you a little bit more in detail here in a little bit, but we pat dry our fish, pat our fish dry, and then we use the Louisiana fish fry. And then we kind of doctor it up with our own seasoning. So definitely put some paprika, maybe some garlic, onion powder. And then if you don't have one of these shakers, super cheap on Amazon, you need one because it will save you from using too much of this. We like a real thin batter, and that's why we have our fish are dry. Pretty much dry. They're cold still, but they're dry. We don't coat them in milk or egg or anything like that. So I'll show you guys here in a little bit how it's looking. I'm gonna show you guys what Daddy's doing over here. We're getting summer haircuts.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know how happy the boys are about it. Sawyer, are you happy? No. Daddy's smiling. So he's got 3 boys to trim up. All right, we have the fish in here. We're just giving it a shaky shake. And then come over here, Jay. We'll show them what it looks like. So we want to kind of move it side to side. Open it up, and you can see there's just a real thin batter on the fish. It's not too thick. So we're gonna start frying it now until it's nice and crispy.
Hey guys, everything's done. Fish are done. Like right here. That's pretty good. This is pretty good fish.
Get out of the black.
It was a good video, I think. We got a YellowCat, Whitebass, a couple channels. We'll see y'all next time. Riley Rose Adventures is out.